Hey guys, welcome to Safi Next. In this video, I will guide you how to resolve the problem of missing Wi-Fi button from the list of internet connection. For example, if I click on the list of internet connection, there is no option for Wi-Fi connection. And if I click on network and internet settings, I'll be taken to this windows. And if I click on troubleshoot option, the troubleshooter will look for any solution if exists. But we see here from this list, the Wi-Fi connection is missing. However, if I click on the next button, the troubleshooter will seek for any possible solution. This laptop is not connected to any internet cable, and therefore it suggests to connect the laptop to the internet, but I'm not interested in that. And I click and I cancel the windows. I cancel this one window and I come to device manager. If I type in the search bar device manager and click enter, I'll be taken to the windows of device manager. If I look for network adapters and click on the drop down menu, if I expand it and look carefully, no adapter for Wi-Fi connection is present in this list. So what I do, I go to view tab and click on it and come to show hidden devices. If I click this, you see here dual band wireless AC adapter is hidden, is put in the hidden list. So what we do, we need to remove this from the hidden list. This is our task. So the first thing, I go to task manager, which you can open it up by pressing Ctrl Shift and Escape buttons together. And I search for Windows Explorer. I click on it, I right click on it and restart the Windows Explorer. So every program is restarted, and if I click on the list of internet connection, the problem still persists. So that doesn't work. Now I click on the Wi-Fi adapter and update the driver. Search for this driver and the Windows says that the best driver for your device is already installed. So I click cancel this, but the driver is still in the hidden list. What I do, I uninstall this driver. So if I click on install, the driver is removed. I once again move to Task Manager and restart the Windows Explorer and see if the problem is resolved. So restarting it would restore all the programs that are presently running, but the problem still persists. It is not resolved. So I come to Action tab on the Device Manager and scan for the hardware change. Oh, that's great. Now the Wi-Fi adapter is removed from the hidden list. And if I click on the list of internet connection, all the Wi-Fi options are now available. If I click on my Wi-Fi connection and add the password, because this would remove your password, so you need to remember your password. And if I enter the password and then click on it and click next, it will connect to the Wi-Fi, so it is now connected and the connection is available. So this way you can resolve your problem of missing Wi-Fi connection. At the end, if you haven't subscribed to Safi Max, kindly support the channel through your valued subscription. Thanks for watching.